How do ingredients arrive at nice Chinatown markets from China? Imagine a bustling market filled with fresh vegetables, dried herbs, and colorful spices all ready for your favorite Chinese dishes. Ever wonder how all these ingredients get from China to those vibrant Chinatown markets in New York City? Well, it's quite a journey. It starts with farms and factories in China where farmers and food producers prepare their goods for export. They carefully pack everything, from fresh produce to dried noodles and specialty spices, making sure they stay fresh during the trip. Most of these goods are shipped by sea because it's more economical for large quantities. They travel on massive cargo ships that can carry thousands of containers filled with food. These ships sail across the Pacific Ocean to ports on the east coast of the United States, mainly the port of New York and New Jersey. The journey by sea can take about 2 to 3 weeks, depending on weather and shipping schedules. Once the ships arrive at the port, the goods go through customs clearance. Customs officials check the shipments to make sure they meet U.S. safety and import regulations. This process can take a few days to a week. After clearing customs, the ingredients are transferred to trucks or trains for further transportation. Unlike big supermarkets that relying on large warehouses, Chinatown markets get their ingredients through smaller local distributors. These are often family-owned businesses close to or within Chinatown. They buy directly from importers or brokers who specialize in Asian products. These distributors make small, frequent deliveries throughout the day, sometimes even multiple times a day. This keeps the ingredients fresh and reduces storage costs. In addition to imports from China, many markets also source ingredients from local farms and regional wholesalers along the East Coast. This mix of international and local sourcing helps keep prices affordable and ensures a wide variety of authentic ingredients are available daily. This supply chain is vital to Chinatown's lively food scene. It allows markets to stock everything from dried mushrooms to fresh bok choy, while supporting local restaurants and shoppers who want genuine Chinese flavors. It also reflects New York City's role as a global hub, connecting cultures through food. The flow of ingredients from China to Chinatown markets shows how international trade and immigrant businesses keep the neighborhood vibrant and full of authentic tastes.